This is the Twisting Aces card trick tutorial, and if you haven't already seen the performance, make sure to check out the description below. And what you're gonna need for this trick is the 4 aces all placed on the top of the deck. And you don't need any duplicates or gimmicks, so you can just have a normal deck of cards. Once you have the 4 aces on the top of the deck, 1, 2, 3, 4, usually I like to place the ace of spades at the bottom, and then I place either the diamonds or hearts, then clubs, then the last red card, because it just makes it a little bit better with the contrast of this trick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push over to show that there's only 4 aces. So you're gonna push over the 4 aces and then 3 more cards, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna catch a little bit of a break with your middle and ring finger down here. So it'll look like this. Push over the cards just to show that these are the cards here, but I've actually got a little bit of a break underneath. And the reason that's helpful is that way when you square all this back up, now I've got a break back here, so my pinky has slid in, and now if I would want to, I could pick up this entire packet, and I'm actually holding 7 cards instead of just 4. The other thing that's helpful for making sure that this break doesn't get shown is 1, don't turn this way. Make sure that the crowd is all in front of you or on the left, and this pad of your thumb right here like this. Make sure that that bottom part of your thumb is going to be covering this corner here and pressing down, and your index finger's pressing down. That way there's no gaps in the front. Now you're gonna come over with your right hand and pick up right where that break is and pick up all 7 cards, slide that top ace over, and drop the rest of the packet on top. What that actually does is now you have 3 cards, then you have 3 random cards, and then your 4th ace. So then you can give it the twist that actually doesn't do anything, but you should do the twist considering this trick is called the Twisting Aces. Then push off 1, 2, 3, and now you're gonna push off 2. Now that you've got that down, you should push off the 3 aces and then catch the break under the next 2 cards. Because if you push off the 3rd, now you're gonna reveal that last ace. Once you square that up, make sure to catch that break. So now you're holding 5 cards here, slide this one off, and drop the rest of the cards down. Give it a twist, push off this one, and you're gonna push off 1 more, catch a break under this first card, because if you push it off again, you're gonna reveal that ace. So now you should be down to 3 cards, and now you're gonna get rid of the last ace, give it a twist, and now you're down to just 1. I really like doing that little flourish like this, and if you'd like me to do a tutorial on how to do that little flourish, then make sure to comment down below that you'd like to see it. Regardless, of course, we still have to vanish this last ace. And since we're not gonna be burying it underneath one of those cards like the way we have with the last 3, we're gonna do an earned ace change. And an earned ace change looks like this, where you just give it a little bit of a wave, and the card vanishes. Now in all actuality, you're just putting it in 2nd position, but if you don't know how to do the earned ace change, make sure to check out the video right here. And if you want to become a magician, then this is the channel for you, so make sure to hit subscribe. And if you want to pick up these cards, which are fantastic for magicians and super luxury, check them out right here. And you can get them for 10% off with code CardPerfectMagician. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.